respected headmistress, my art teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a happy National Science Day. My name is P. Srinidhi. I am studying in 10th class. Now I am going to speak about C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, full name Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tirupuram, India. He was a brilliant student and completed his BA in physics from Visiting College, Madras. Raman pursued MA in physics from the University of Madras. He worked as a lecturer at University College of Science, Calcutta. In 1917, he became the first Indian to get a degree from an Indian university. Raman joined the Indian Association from the Cultivation of Science in 1917. He discovered the Raman effect on February 28, 1928. Raman is a phenomenon where light is scattered by molecules change wavelength. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 from the work on the Raman effect. Raman was the first Asian to win a Nobel Prize in Science. He established the Indian Jury of Science in 1926. Raman was the director of the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He found the Raman Research Instrument in Bangalore in 1948. Raman was a fellow of Royal City and received many awards. He was knighted in 1929 from his contribution to science. Raman was a strong award from scientist research in India. He inspired many Indian scientists, including J. Baba S. Ramasekhar. Raman passed away on November 21, 1970 in Bangalore. He is remembered as one of India's greatest scientists. The C.V. Raman Award is gained in his honor from contribution to science. His legend continued the inspire Indian scientists and researchers.